Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how I got into this taxi Goa Miles. Goa Miles is a government run taxi which is cheaper than most private operators, and I was not paid to say this, by the way. So I got it outside the aircraft and I was heading to the exit when there were a lot of crowds at this one particular counter. It was the Goa Miles counter. So I had already installed the app, but I couldn't make a booking on that because it asked me to have a minimum of 200 rupees, which I didn't have on the app. So I went to the counter and asked if they could do the booking for me, to which they said they had to do only through the app. So apparently there was no way out, and I had to deposit that 200 rupees and I made the booking. And fair enough, the car came in 5 minutes and we left the airport immediately. The car was a Swift Desire and I paid 760 rupees from Goa Airport to Miramar residency, which is actually cheaper because if you take the private operators, they charge you anywhere between 1000 rupees for non-AC and 1200 for an AC cab. So the moral of the story: make the deposit of 200 rupees, which is somewhat deductible from your total bill. But before every booking, you have to ensure that there's 200 rupees to proceed with the booking. And the drivers are decent and the cars are in good condition too. So why not? So happy traveling in Goa. Let's enjoy the rest of the video.